What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. In this video, we have another key date video. We're going to talk about exactly what are the key dates coming up for the XRP or Ripple XRP versus the SEC and what to really expect as we see those things happen. We also want to look through the price. Now, I just want to preface this video by saying that I know people are upset with any type of key dates that we do have, because anything in the past, we haven't really seen any type of major impact. We haven't seen anything positive really come out of those major dates, right? But know that these key dates don't mean that it's 100% going to happen. It's a means of getting information and understanding that those are the dates where we could expect something to happen. Without understanding that news around it, we have people that are going in blind as things are happening. So if something happens aggressively negative, we see over aggressively, selling activity that happens within the markets, as well as the positive side of it, right? We see something happen that's in crazy positive. Then we see a pullback, and people weren't aware of exactly what was happening. They're like, why is XRP running? Then they try and find some of this news. We're trying to basically give you that information or tell you what these key dates will be before that does happen, so that you're not blinded when those things do take place. So I know these have been a disappointment for a lot of people to see some of these key dates that just haven't worked out. And especially when we talk about November 9th, I believe it was, where we were supposed to see a settlement, and then all of a sudden the exact opposite really happened, and it continued on, and the CEO came out and said, look, we may end up pushing this to the Supreme Court, and we're ready to fight this to the Supreme Court. Showing that they had a settlement, they took that settlement away, and then Ripple was mad about the fact that they took that settlement away as they were going to accept it. Because it was much lower than what they were asking for, which was $700+ million, and now it's up to $2 billion, which is crazy. But let's talk about XRP in this video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, guys, if you want to trade XRP, like if you want to trade it, leverage trade it, you can utilize my link from Margex, where you can leverage trade up to 50x leverage on XRP, up to 100x leverage on BTC. I always recommend starting with like 5 to 10x leverage. It gives you some room, some wiggle room, because crypto is volatile. So feel free to check out that link from Margex down below in the description. Also, thank you to StakeLayer for sponsoring this video, but more on that later. So let's go ahead and look at XRP's price right now. We're seeing that this is currently at a 54-cent price. It's up by 2% on the day. Seeing how the market is down, this is great to see the positivity here. And also the volume is up by 82% today. Seeing it at a $1.7 billion volume day, $29.8 billion market cap. Now, once we get to a point where this is at the highest point, so maybe in a couple of I don't know, up to 1 o'clock, right? When it hits 1 o'clock, because currently it's 11:08 at the time of recording this video. You'll probably see it down, because that's just how the 24-hour cutoff really works, because it's been level ever since, but has been decreasing from a $30 billion market cap all the way down to, where we are at the 54-cent level. It was all the way up to 57 cents at one point yesterday at around 125. So you'll see this look like it's absolutely collapsing, but in reality, it's just kind of flat from how we were acting the whole entire day. But with all that being said, we have this positivity that is happening. We have this movement that is happening. What's going on with the SEC versus Ripple? Now, before we get into this detail here, I do want to talk about my video sponsor, StakeLayer. Everyone's looking for ways to earn something from the things that they own. In today's world, if you're not earning, you're burning. Your money, that is. Now, with today's video sponsor, StakeLayer, you don't have that problem. StakeLayer looks to revolutionize your Bitcoin investments with a cutting-edge platform dedicated to maximizing your returns through innovative restaking technology. Embrace the next evolution in cryptocurrency earning, where security meets unparalleled growth. Now, the mission of StakeLayer is to democratize Bitcoin earnings, making it accessible, profitable, and secure for investors worldwide. Leveraging advanced blockchain technology, we're committed to providing a transparent, efficient, and revolutionary staking solution. But for you as an investor, why StakeLayer? Well, I'll give you 4 reasons. One would be innovative restaking technology to maximize your Bitcoin earnings. Two would be unmatched security, knowing that your investments are safe. Also, they provide a friendly user interface as well as completely transparent processes, so you know what's happening in front of your eyes as well as behind the scenes. Here's a picture of the restaking architecture that's followed. Now, even though this is simple to follow, to make it very simple for everyone, it's just a better version of this. With core features like low fees, high scalability, and support for BTC protocols, you might want to give this a look. Now you can hit early access or hit join the revolution today to find out all the information about StakeLayer. If you guys take some time to join the pre-sale today, all you have to do is go over here, use my link down below for the pre-sale. For my referral link, I do get a kickback, which is always great. And then you guys can refer whoever you want to refer as well. So feel free to join the pre-sale. That link will also be down there in the description. Also, I'll provide every single link down below so you guys can understand everything that they're about. Also, feel free to check out their Twitter to stay updated on all the information. Again, thank you StakeLayer for sponsoring this video, and back to our original video. Now, Ripple versus the SEC has key dates. We've talked about these key dates before, and you're going to see May 13th is a key date here for the XRP lawsuit. Now, the latest update on the ongoing legal saga between the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, and Ripple Labs, Inc. reveals that the SEC has filed its response under seal, along with supporting exhibits. Excitement brews as these documents are slated for public release in redacted versions by Wednesday, May 8th. Meanwhile, the XRP price dances around 53 cents, having experienced a surge to 57 cents earlier this week, or earlier yesterday. The impending deadline of May 13th looms large, marking the next pivotal moment in this courtroom drama. Upcoming key dates. So you have James Filan. Hopefully I'm saying his name right. I don't know. I'm horrible with names, horrible with pronouncing anything, honestly. A prominent figure in the Ripple community sheds light on the intricate filing schedule. He discloses that the SEC redacted remedies brief is set to hit the legal stage by May 8th, 2024, which is tomorrow. Further sealing related filings are anticipated to flow suit after an initial submission. So why does this matter? Seeing this discussion, seeing this submission on May 8th, per the court mandated timeline subsequent to the May 8th filing, the Ripple case gears up for its next act on May 13th. On this pivotal date, the SEC, Ripple, and relevant third parties will file omnibus. I'm horrible with pronouncing things. I told you that. Letter motions seeking to seal all materials pertaining to the remedies related briefs, declarations and accompanying exhibits. Simultaneously, proposals for redactions to the provided materials will flood in. Countdown to resolution. Fast forward to May 20th, the ultimate date in the courtroom calendar. Parties involved will submit letter briefs opposing omnibus. I'm 100% sure I'm saying that wrong. Letter motions to seal. Notably, as per the joint proposal, all parties must unveil public redacted versions of all documents within 14 days of the court's ruling on omnibus sealing motions. Now, the current status of Ripple versus SEC. At the present, the SEC assumes the mantle of prominence in the legal tussle. A chorus of voices, include those of pro-XRP lawyers, echoes the sentiments that the SEC holds the upper hand, alleging that Ripple floated securities laws through the unregistered sale of XRP tokens. The regulator the regulatory watchdog is seeking a hefty penalty of $2 billion, amounting to $2 billion, adding a layer of complexity to the case. Both parties are embroiled in a heated debate over the validity of expert testimony offered by Andrea Fox, the SEC's chief assistant accountant. So, we have honestly three important dates. We have May 8th, we have May 13th, we have May 20th. We're looking for everything within this month, and then we start to see things that happen because of what happened on those dates, right? So depending on where we stand, right now you have it kind of leaning which way or the other. XRP is still fine, right? XRP is not a security. Legal clarity for XRP has already been established. However, when it comes to the sale of XRP, that was kind of the issue, right? Institutional sale of XRP, that was the issue. So for XRP as a whole, we have no problem there. It's just whether Ripple is going to take a hit or not, right? If they're going to take this $2 billion hit. We still know that XRP is not a security, and that's not something that is being, fought right now. But ultimately, it could come to a point to where that does get appealed in the long run. But ultimately, it was labeled as not a security, and it's going to be labeled as not a security going forward, in my opinion, right? This is just my opinion. I don't have any type of legal background. The most schooling that I took was business law 1, right? That's all I had to take. So anyways, guys, let me know what you think about XRP. Let me know what you think about Ripple versus SEC. I apologize for not getting anything right when it comes to pronouncing things, but you got to the promised land. That's all that matters, right? Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Thank you again for Stake Layer for sponsoring this video. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.